Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're out in Wesley Chapel at Magnolia Estates, and we are going to do a 3-car with baseboards, polyspar top coat. So we're all set up to start the job. It's actually in very good shape, the slab and the lead-in edges. One of the things that we're going to do when we put in the baseboards is we are going to remove all this old material and come down and chip that all in, and then the homeowner will have to meet up with some white paint. Here we're not going to put baseboards. As you can see, they're already there. So this job to begin with is in pretty good shape. We are going to sand and fill these expansion joints, and that's going to give us a good looking seamless surface. And then once we get this cap off, we'll probably find some chips falling, things of that nature. As you can see, the lead-in edge is already in pretty good shape. And we're all set up, so let's get started. Okay, just a quick segment to show our progress. This is all our prep. You can see we got rid of that cure and seal, got down to bare concrete. Did a lot of cleanup along this baseboard. It's not final yet. We're going to clean up a little bit more tomorrow before we do the top coat. You can see we have a lot of patches in, but more importantly, we have the expansion joints filled. And again, that's going to give us a really nice looking seamless surface. These lead-in edges were in very good shape when we got here. They needed a minimal of cleanup and round over, so they look good to begin with. As you can see, we're all set up for our pour. We have our chips ready. We have our epoxy ready. So let's get this going. Okay, we're finished with our 3-car with baseboards. This was a full diamond grinding. Small repairs. We sanded and filled the expansion joints for a seamless surface. Did the baseboards. This is where we did a lot of prep along the baseboard to knock off a lot of construction material that was there and then was painted over, so we cleaned that all up, smoothed it all out. Here's the details in around the hot water heater. Now we did go up a little bit on the wall here with the grinder to prep the baseboard. The homeowner is going to repaint their garage, so that was all discussed beforehand. So there was minimal repairs on this job. Even the lead-in edges were in great shape. All we had to really do was just clean them up a little bit and round them over. But they're only about a ½ inch high to begin with, so that's always a help too. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.